We are back. Welcome to Caspian with a riff on. For those of you who don't know, this was a podcast series I did. I remember, I think I quit it 4 years ago to the day, 3 years ago to the day, whatever. Um, it's a podcast series where I, for a couple of minutes, will riff on a subject of my liking or of your request. And I'm going to start this off. I have a couple of them planned. We'll see how many of these I do. I have a little series planned, first of all, which is going to be on change. And this was actually from a request, someone who listened to the podcast and wanted to hear about change. So I've been thinking about this for 3 months, sort of how to go at it, if I wanted to do a podcast series again, and I decided I want to. So we're going to speak about change, and I want to take it in 3 different levels, hence the series. The 3 different levels are, first off, how do I change me? How do I change my personal sort of views, behaviors, whatever? So that's the first thing we're going to speak about. Second one is, how do I change someone else? So how do I change me and you? And lastly, how do I change me, you, and us? Anything bigger than 2 people, or any group of people bigger than 2 people. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to riff on change in 3 different steps. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. And hopefully there will be I know there are going to be a couple of more episodes. So if you haven't already, subscribe either on YouTube or on the podcast platform of your choosing. So the first one is going to be changing me, and I hope you enjoy it.